Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create magical winter effects for your photos or videos on CapCut. So the winter is coming or already come, and if you want to have that magical winter effects on your photos or videos, you can do it by using the CapCut applications. And so in here, I've already up on my CapCut apps on my mobile. And let's just start by tapping on your project in here. And then you can use photo or videos that you want to add, that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit a photo. Let's say I want to edit okay, let's try this photos in here. You can click on it and then tap on add. And now to have the magical winter effects, you can easily do it by using the CapCut effects, photo or video effects. So here I'm going to use effects, then video effects in here, and you'll easily spot the Christmas category on the video effects. Just click on that and there will be lots of winter related or winter keywords effects that you can use, such as, let's try this one, snowing effects. You can click on it to apply it to your photo or videos. So this is the snowing 2 effects. So this is how it will look like, the snowing. Let's try another one in here. Let's try this snowflakes, this one. So there are pro effects, or there are also the free ones. So this is the free options. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you can use this ones right here. Let's try another one. Let's last one. Let's try this. Just okay, snowing. This is the snow, and this is also free. Okay, so this is the snowing effect. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to, I think, just apply the first one, the snowing 2. You can tap on the check icon, and if you want to, you can also do this trick. If you want it to apply only to the background, you can click on the photo or video and duplicate it first, and then make one of the photo or video as overlay. Move it as overlay, this one, and tap on the overlay and remove its background. Okay, so now after the background is removed, you can tap on the effects, this one, click on object and make sure it applies to only to the main videos. Click on a check icon, and now the snow video will only apply to the background. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on thanks, and subscribe. Bye.